Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Optimize storage for Apple Music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, you want to tap on Music. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Optimize Storage. Next in here, tap on Optimize Storage. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now see that if your iPhone is low on space, automatically remove music from this iPhone that you haven't played in a while. So here, you can choose the minimum storage, 8 GB, 16, 32, 64 GB. So that keep at least 64 GB of the music you've downloaded on this iPhone. So choose how much storage you want to use for your music. Anything above that will automatically get deleted for songs that you haven't played for a while. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.